The necromancer Chelon took 17 followers to the grave. 18 were needed for his immortality, but 17 were all that remained. Before destroyed by a brave adventurer, he cursed his crypt, waiting for the day a foolish soul would wander through the graves.
Welcome everyone. My name's Ryan. I'm here to give you an overview of the game Crypts of Chelon, developed by Team SCSI Logic. I'm going to give you a brief explanation of how to load the game, and then I will give you a walkthrough of how to play the game. First, you're going to want to load, and then you're going to select OK to find the directory from which the folder is in. Once you do that, you will be given a welcome screen. You'll want to go in the console and press the Enter key to get to the main map. As you can see, the main map has a player and then a necromancer icon. There are 18 gravestones on the map, and one of them is a secret gravestone that you must uncover. You have 3 lives to be able to find this gravestone, and you must move around using the W, A, S, or D followed by the Enter key in the console. I'll start off by moving the player around the map, and let's see if we can find the secret gravestone. I want to go to the right, so I'm going to press D and then Enter. I want to go right one more time and get to this very first gravestone. In order to use the Examine and Dig buttons, you will want your player to be directly under the gravestone. Now that I'm located under here, I'm going to do an Examine. The Examine function is meant to give me the closest path to the next secret gravestone. So I can tell the gravestone is to the right, and I'm going to try to move down there before the necromancer gets to me. It looks like I found the secret gravestone because when I press Examine, oh, just kidding, it's still a little bit further away. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can sneak past this necromancer before he gets to me. Luckily, I got past the point. We very much enjoyed making this game, and we hope you enjoy playing it. Thank you for watching.